Hello, welcome to Technics Graphics. In today's tutorial, I'm going to design this flyer. So, welcome guys, and for the new members also welcome. If you have not yet subscribed, please consider subscribing, hit the subscribe button and also share and give a thumbs up. Without much, let's dive straight to CorelDRAW. Welcome to CorelDRAW. I'll start by setting my page size, and the size I'm going to work with is 10 by 10 inches. So I'll change my units into inches, then set my measurements 10 by 10, hit enter. Next I'll import the resources by clicking import. So these are the images that I'm going to work with, and these are my ministers. So I'll start by designing the background. First I'll double click the rectangle shape tool, then remove the outline. Take this image, right click, power clip, click edit to edit power clip, resize, select transparency tool and fade out this part, click finish. Then take this image, right click, power clip, click edit, position it here, resize, select transparency tool, fade out this part, then change the blending mode to soft light, click finish. Take this other image, resize, right click, power clip inside, click edit, position it here, resize, select transparency, fade out this part, select the blending mode to soft light, click finish. I'll edit again, select this image, transparency, change the blending mode to normal, select bitmap, convert to bitmap, click OK, bitmap again, mode, grayscale, then select the blending mode to soft light, reduce the transparency, select this other one, change to normal, go to bitmap, convert to bitmap, click OK, then go to blending mode and change to soft light and reduce the opacity by increasing the transparency, click finish. Select the rectangle shape tool, draw a rectangle here, give it this color, remove the outline, select transparency, fade out this top part, then resize, right click, power clip inside, bring in this light flare, resize, right click, power clip inside, click edit, make a copy, resize, position here, transparency, and change the blending mode to screen. Do the same to this other one, position it here, transparency, change the blending mode to screen. Click finish. Then bring in the ministers. So resize this one, bring in this other one, resize, and position them well. So reduce a little. Select this other one, select shape tool and crop this part. Select the two ministers, position them. So make sure they align at the center. Select this, transparency, fade out this part. Select this other one, also fade out this part. Select my freehand tool and draw something here. Bitmap, convert to bitmap, click OK. Effects, blur, Gaussian blur. Increase the blur. Click OK. Hold Ctrl, edge down, and move it back one step. Transparency tool, increase the transparency. Select this first minister, effects, adjust image adjustment lab, and make some adjustments. Okay, if that one is better, select this other one, effects, adjust image adjustment tab, make some adjustments. Okay, select all of them. Ctrl G to group and resize and make sure they are at the center. Now it's time to bring in my text, but before I bring in the text, I'll click import to import the church logo. So this is the logo that I'm going to use as the church logo. Then I'll bring in my text. So before I insert the text into the design, I'll first extract this logo. I'll click bitmaps, mode, black and white, click OK, click trace bitmap, click outline, click line art. Wait for it to load, then click OK. Take this one, delete this one, bring this one here, select crop tool and crop this one, click enter, then resize, position here, change the color to this one, bring in the name of the church, cut this one, the light, Ctrl X to cut, Ctrl V to paste here, change the color, change the font, Poppins, then break, this size, bring here, reduce the spacing, then I'll take my time and align it just well. Select and group, Ctrl G to group, reduce the size, position all. So I'll select the rectangle, draw a rectangle, shape tool and give it a rounded corners, change the color, this one, control page down to move backward, and resize, make sure it is at the center. So I'll change this color, this one. Next I'll bring in this text, paste here, change the font bold, then make sure it is at the center. The size, italics, change the color, select transparency, change blending mode to overlay. Bring in my title, change the color, so I'll break this text, press Ctrl plus K to break apart, bring this one here for now, select this one, resize, position here, change the font, this one, make sure they align. I'll reduce this one, so I'll position there. Select this, change to this color, let it remain that way. Select Ctrl C to copy, Ctrl V to paste, then give this color, then using the arrow key I'll move just slightly, make another copy, Ctrl C, Ctrl V to paste, then give this color, then click bitmap, convert to bitmap, then effects, blur, Gaussian blur, just a little blur, click OK, then transparency, blending mode to add, then shift page down, move it back, then control, then page up to bring it forward. Then bring it downwards. So this is the effect that I want. Select everything, Ctrl G to group. Position here. Select rectangle shape tool, draw a rectangle. Give it round corners, just a little. Give this color. Ctrl C to make a copy, Ctrl V to paste. Select this shape, Ctrl C to copy, Ctrl V to paste. Give this color. Ctrl plus page down to move it backward. Select them and remove the outline. Ctrl C again, Ctrl V to paste. Give this color. Bitmap, convert to bitmap. Click OK. Effects, blur, Gaussian blur. OK. Control page down to move it backward. Then bring it down. Then transparency, blending mode to add. Select them, group, Ctrl G. Here. Ctrl G to group and make sure they align at the center. Bring in this text. Give this color. Change the font to Opens. Black. Black. Use the spacing. Use the size. And here. Shift page up to bring it front. Change the font to Bebas. Side space. Use the space again. Select everything, then select the drop shadow tool, and apply. Make it dark. Use the feathery. Click Effects, Objects, then break 4 objects apart. Then select the shadow. Then move it just slightly. Do the same for this one. And fit. Bring in the date. So I'll cut this. And before that, I select rectangle, draw a rectangle here, give this color, remove the outline, then double click and skew. Then hold this node, hold Control to make another copy, then mirror, then bring it here, make another copy, mirror, bring here, select, Control G to group and align. So I'll select, I'll first bring in my ruler position here and bring another one here, bring this one here, bring another one here, do the same to this other side, bring one here, bring another one here, then select the freehand tool, then draw a line here. Now let's give it white outline so that you can see. So click here and draw a line here and join it here. Give this color, select shape tool and make sure it is well positioned. So instead of drawing another one this other side, just hold this one and Control and mirror like that. Remove the outline. So I'll bring this one here. And select and position here. Yeah, then I'll delete the rulers, bring in the date, paste here, I'll bring also the time, paste here, the venue, paste here. So I'll start with the date. I'll cut this one, put it away for now, change the color, then change the font, position it there, select this one, break, change the font, resize, resize, do the same for this one, this information, so change font and color, bring here, reduce, and guys, this is the final design. This is how I made this church flyer. Very simple, using CorelDRAW. So if you like the tutorial, if the tutorial was helpful, give it a thumbs up, like and share also to others. Thank you guys, and see you in the next video.